Here's how to install Roblox Studio on your Chromebook in 2024. Now go ahead and click the link down in the description to get to my website. Once you're on my website, go ahead.
Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and bell button, and comment down the game you're trying to play with.
Go ahead and type in cat space and then bring a / and type in etc, another / and type in Debian, and bring an underscore and type in version and hit enter. Now you want to ensure that your Debian version is at least 10 and above to prevent the amount of errors that could happen when installing Roblox Studio on your Chromebook. Now you want to go ahead and type in sudo space apt and another space and then type in update and hit enter. Now once that is done, go ahead and type in sudo space apt space upgrade and then hit enter as well. Now once those are also done, go ahead and type in sudo space apt install space flat pack with a K and hit enter. Now go ahead and hit Y when you're prompted and wait for that to finish up. Good. Now once that is done, go ahead and copy the link on my website or copy the code on my website, hit Ctrl+C, right click this into the terminal and hit enter. Now once that is done, you need to pay attention to this next step. Now we need to restart our Linux terminal. So we are not going to close out of the whole thing. We're just going to open a new tab and then we're going to close out of the old one. This is a very crucial step and you must not miss it, else you would have errors and problems getting Roblox Studio. Now once you've done that, go ahead and type in sudo space flat pack, another space, type in. Now, if you're interested in making some extra income using your Chromebook, here is HoneyGain. It allows you to share your internet and in return, you get money. Now, if you sign up with my link down in the description or on my website, you get a $3 gift to begin with. Now, if you want a tutorial on how to get this working on your Chromebook, because it's an APK, check the description for the video or check the link up top. Install and bring space and type in flat hub, another space, and then type in org.vinegar hq.capital V, but the rest is vinegar in small letters. Capital V here. Pay attention to that and hit enter. Now if it asks you y/n, just hit Y and then hit enter again. And then go ahead and hit Y and hit enter again. And then it'll ask you y/n 3 times or twice. Go ahead and hit Y and hit enter for all of them and wait for it to finish installing. Good. Now once that is done, go back to the terminal and type in flatpak space run, another space, type org.vinegar in low letters HQ, and then bring another dot and then make sure the next vinegar is capital V, vinegar with a capital V, and then type in vinegar and then bring space and type in studio and then space run and hit enter. Now all we have to do is wait for Roblox Studio to start installing in the middle of our screen, as you can see here. Now it's going to do all the installation for us pretty quick and then I'll get to the next part. Good. Now you have to run this twice. The first time is going to give you an error. The next time you can just hit the top arrow key on your terminal and then you see that the previous code comes up and then go ahead and hit enter. You need to run it twice. The first time it gives you an error, the second time it's going to work properly. Don't worry about that. That's perfectly fine. Now as you can see, Roblox Studio has loaded up. Now all you have to wait is about 1 to 5 minutes and then the screen to log you in will also load up. Don't worry about that. Good. Now as you can see, a black window has loaded up. All you have to go ahead and do is click into this and then you see that it says log into Roblox. So I'm going to type in my details to log into Roblox and I'll see you guys on the other side of the screen. Now as you can see, Roblox Studio has loaded up. I can go ahead and select any of this base plate or the classic one or the flat terrain. I can go ahead and click on any of that and it's going to load me up real quick. Now as you can see, it has loaded the terrain. It's giving me the generate option, the import option, the clear option here. It's going to load up the left side as well. It's going to generate everything that I need to use Roblox Studio. So as you can see, this is how to get Roblox Studio on your Chromebook. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like, subscribe, and bell button. And come join my Discord down in the description if you faced any problems. But that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.